Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn one of the prettiest and most elegant crochet stitches. It's a stitch that's complete in just 2 rows, and its name perfectly describes its appearance. Today, we'll learn how to make the star stitch, and our practical project will be a clutch bag. So let's get started. We'll need medium weight cotton macrame yarn, a 4mm crochet hook, a magnetic back clasp, a yarn needle, and scissors. Start by making a foundation chain with an even number of stitches plus 1 extra chain. I'm making a small clutch as a sample to demonstrate the stitch and the technique. Skip the first chain, insert your hook into the second chain and pull up a loop. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the next chain and pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook. Repeat in the following chains until you have 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops at once. Then secure with a single crochet. For the next star stitch, insert the hook into the eye of the previous stitch and pull up a loop. 2 loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the back of the last loop of the previous star stitch and pull up a loop. Three loops. Insert the hook into the last chain used and pull up a loop. 4 loops. Insert into the next stitch and pull up a loop. 5 loops. Insert into the following stitch and pull up a loop. 6 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops, then close with a single crochet. Repeat this process until the end of the row. The last stitch of the row will be a double crochet. Now I've completed the first half of the stitch pattern. It's time for the second half. Chain 2 and turn. In the eye of each stitch, work 2 half double crochets all the way across the row. The last stitch will be 1 half double crochet. Let's take a look at how the stitch looks now. Now for the following rows. Chain 3. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop. Then into the next chain and pull up another loop. Now you have 3 loops in the hook. Turn your work and pull up a loop from each of the first 3 stitches. Once you have 6 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through all 6 loops at once, then close with a single crochet. Continue the row exactly as we work the first row. The next row will be 2 half double crochets in the eye of each stitch across. Repeat the third and fourth rows until you reach your desired clutch length. Make sure the height ends on an even number of rows because the star stitch is only complete when both rows are worked together. I made this sample using 8 repeats of the star stitch pattern. Cut the yarn and weave in all the ends neatly to prepare for finishing. Mark the side of the clutch and the flap length with stitch markers. Sew the sides together using a yarn needle and make sure they are secured firmly. Next comes the magnetic clasp. Using regular sewing thread that matches or closely matches the clutch color, sew the clasp securely onto both the clutch and the flap. And that's it. We've learned a beautiful new stitch and used it to make something very useful. My lovely stars, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll reply as soon as I can. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any new videos. See you in the next video. Bye!